Hey guys, today we are here with a 2011 Chevy Silverado. We're going to be changing the air filter. I'll put a link in the description for this air filter, but this is the air filter we're using. And we're going to be taking out this, putting it in right here. So let's get started. To remove the air filter, you need to use a Torx bit screwdriver. I'm using a drill in my case, but that will loosen the screws. The screws won't come all the way out, but you can get them loose enough to remove the cover to take the filter out. Slide the old one out. And we'll put the new one in the exact same way. If you notice down in here, if there's any leaves or dirt or anything like that, you may want to vacuum that out, but we're good in this case. So we just set this down just like that, make sure it seals down, and we set the case back down and tighten the screws, and you're done. You just want those snug. You don't want to get them too tight or anything like that. But that is it. That's how you change the air filter in a 2011 Chevy Silverado. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like. That's how others get to see videos like this. If you have any suggestions, please put them in the comments below. Thanks.